My brother Kim brought along his stove and all the fixins, and the other day he made pasta fritta, which is the Italian version of fry bread, which we use with salt and then jelly instead of honey and powdered sugar. Now, salted and then jellied, and the difference between the two, sharp and sweet, work to make it wonderful. And we ate that for breakfast a couple days ago. Right now he's over there making fried yellow squash.
Good stuff.
Oh yeah, so I'll come over and take a picture. And it is delicious. He likes to cook. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Isn't that cool to have a brother who knows how to cook?
I was a baker at one time.
Well, yeah, and we were all bakers at one time. I still don't know how to do this.
This is a mom thing.
This is a mom thing, yeah. She used to do this and zucchini like this. Oh, look at all that over there, that whole deal. The man is incredible. The man is beyond comprehension. Neat brothers. I got some neat brothers, I swear. Then I got this old stodgy over one sticking over here with his nose in the iPhone.
I'm editing pictures to put on Facebook.
Facebook lives on Facebook.
And Facebook is a evil place.
It is.
It takes you, it sucks you in and keeps you there for hours on end when we should be doing something constructive.
Yeah.
But
then, the heck with it.
yeah, I'm retired.
We're retired.
I'm retired. I got
We
nothing
are,
else to
love
do.
those stories.
we are so retired.
Sometimes when I'm looking at those stories, I miss half a TV show.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not really overcast, just a tad bit chilly today, this morning. Don't know if it's going to get sunny or rain. Could go either way. But I'm sitting here talking about going to Biltmore Estate down in Asheville and maybe Dollywood, and then heading back to Arizona. We'll find out. Don't know what I'm going to do. We'll see. This is the place where Greg has his cabin right here at Bear Creek Motor Coach Resort. Here's a view of Greg's house from across the way, looking back towards his place. We are taking a walk up to another fellow's house, and we're just coming by here. So this is a great opportunity to see this view. I'm coming up on Greg. Greg, say hello.
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 That would be my house.
That is your house. That's the
Cabin
neighbors
for the boys.
right there. Isn't that something?
Yeah.
Now you can see the entrance to the bunkhouse underneath. He's got it all divided out into a cowboy bunkhouse, so all the guys stayed in there. Except for me, I stayed in my RV, which is pronounced RV. So, kind of cool, eh? Neat neighbors. This is the lady who took the videos of us leaving and coming back. Beautiful, beautiful green. All right, let's keep walking. Well, it's Tuesday, the 23rd, and silence has befallen the hills. Have one bike to go. Brother Kim is here with me and Greg, and he'll be pulling out tomorrow morning. We're going to stay today. He'll leave tomorrow morning, and then I'll probably leave tomorrow. I haven't made up my mind what to do, but I've suddenly been struck by a real strong want to be home. Want to be home. I want to be home. I just don't know what I'm going to do. I might blow off everything and just do a whole shot all the way across the country. I don't know. There's my brother Kim. And Greg, we got a wheel off of Greg's trailer. He looked and saw one of the tires. These nice new tires has split the side. So we got a new tire waiting downtown. We're going to take the wheel down there and get the new tire put on and bring it back. And we will stay here and have dinner tonight. We're going to have burgers and dogs and chips and I don't know what all. These are both my brother Greg's bikes. He got the full dresser that he's had for a very long time. Gorgeous bike. Gorgeous bike. And then I think this is a Softail. I'm not sure. Anyway, let me show you something. This picture here is, for all intents and purposes, my last Harley Davidson. That's identical to my bike, right down to the last nut and bolt. The last one I had. Isn't it gorgeous? It was one of the prettiest bikes I've ever owned. So, that's his wife on her Boss Hoss. And the brother's down on the beach at, see if I can get back here. All the overhead lights are younger days. And over here, a few years later, recreating the same picture. One of my brother's early motorhomes, way back when. His vet, way back when. A lot of memories on this wall. A lot of memories. And this is that same bike I just showed you with Greg and his wife on let's see, Tail of the Dragon in 2010. Chopper days, we were all into choppers. This is what my brother did. He had a sweeper company. Worked his ass off. Built up all these sweeper trucks. This was his sweeper truck, dump truck, and that's him in his younger days. And he built that business up and sold it and retired. He used to go out and sweep the runways at Dulles. That's a Concorde, of which I flew on. I flew on the Concorde. So, oh my goodness, look at this. Back in our chopper days. And back in our chopper days, I wired this bike. Did a complete rewire on it for him. Back in the olden days, back in the olden days, back in the olden days, back when we were young and had hair. I think this is the same bike that I just talked about being identical to mine. And that's Greg with dark hair. Back in the olden days. My goodness. Boys and toys. Here's his Boss Hoss up here. And here he is.
Turn the lights off.
Oh yeah, doing a burnout on his Boss Hoss. He put my wife Cheryl on the back of that Boss Hoss and did about a quarter-mile burnout and had a ball. And then he turned around and said, did I scare you? And she said, no, do it again, do it again. Cheryl was cool, Cheryl was cool. So we're gonna take this tire downtown and maybe I'll do a little video later on, who knows.